it's me, Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl. I am going to live today from my kitchen. I am here right now. You can even hear me in the background because Lauren's back there listening to me. We are live. I am excited because I've decided today, after being bored, to go live and make a recipe, and I'm going to be making this famous TikTok coffee that's called Dalgona. Oh, Lauren Lillian is watching. Hi. My niece is across the way. If you want to talk, you can talk, and she will read to me your comments. Hey, Kelly.
Hi from Michigan.
Hey, Nicolette. Hey, Mary. All right, so I'm going to be making live Dalgona coffee. If you don't know what Dalgona coffee is, it's that, I don't know where it's from, Dalgona? I don't know. It's that sugar coffee situation that is like a big foam. It's like a reverse latte. So you make this foam that sits on top of cold milk, and it is very popular right now. I'm gonna tell you something. Everybody's making it with tons of sugar, and I tested it out, and I am gonna show you how to make it for half the calories, okay? That's the beauty of this and what Hungry Girl does for you. I have had a little bit of a stressful day in quarantine. And what I mean by that was I was feeling a little anxious, so I gave my dogs haircuts. I don't know if you ever do anything like that, anything weird, but like I can't stop trimming my dog's hair just because they have like bangs, and I want their hair to not be in their eyes because I think they look prettier when their hair's not in their eyes. Hello, hi Nancy, hi Susie, hi Gina, hey Doreen. Okay, so we are making Dalgona coffee. It is so easy to make, and I'm gonna tell you what you need. You need instant coffee. I'm gonna make it for you live. Usually you use sugar. Look at this giant honkin' thing of sugar. The thing is, you're supposed to use 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of sugar, but instead, thank you. It says Brooklyn and I'm in Los Angeles. But here's the deal. Instead of using 2 tablespoons of sugar, you use 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon, in this case, I am using monk fruit, but we were trying to replace the 1 tablespoon of sugar with a sugar substitute of some sort. So I've chosen monk fruit, and it actually works. And let me show you how you do it. So I have this giant container of instant coffee. It smells delicious. I have my Hungry Girl measuring spoons, which I'm gonna show you. I'm putting this in a large bowl. Look at these cute Hungry Girl measuring spoons. Are they adorable? Anyway, yeah. Super cute. So I've got my instant coffee. I'm gonna close that up. This is 1 tablespoon of sugar, which is going into the bowl. Now I'm gonna take out, this is my monk fruit. Monk fruit, they say, has 0 calories. It may have 4 calories a teaspoon, but for our purposes, we're counting, well, we don't have to count 0. Anyway you slice it, this is gonna have about 100 calories or less. Hey Gina, I see you, girl. All right, so we've got the, in this little bowl, 2 tablespoons of instant coffee and 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of monk fruit, and now I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons of hot water into this. All right, when I was making this yesterday, I whisked this by hand, and I have to tell you, I feel like it was the best workout I've had in God knows how long. And it took forever. It was like 20 minutes of whisking. So I would not wish that whisking on anyone. Instead, I'm gonna mix it a tiny bit, and then I'm gonna use a hand mixer. Anyone out there? Hey guys, there's like 800 and something people. Okay, I'm gonna use a hand mixer right now.
I like your measuring spoons.
Yeah, the measuring spoons are amazing. Wait, can you see in the bowl? All right, if you have questions, ask them. But I can't really read. Yes, you can use, I don't know if you can only use monk fruit. I know someone's asking, Nancy, here's the deal. I think the sugar helps emulsify this situation. So I don't think the texture is gonna be right if you only use monk fruit. So don't get all excited about that idea. But it's starting, it gets very thick. Eventually it's gonna look like peanut butter. All right. Hi, Crystal, good work doing a workout. You know what I'm doing after this? I'm gonna organize my sweatpants drawer. Woo, talk about an exciting evening activity. It smells like coffee in this house. It's starting to look amazing. I'm gonna show you what it looks like in the bowl. when you, could you do, I don't know if you could use Splenda. Honestly, this is what I would say. For you guys at home, I think you should try it with 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of the sweetener of choice. But I can't promise that it's gonna work. I would probably use a baking kind of sweetener. Am I screaming? Because I can barely hear myself. I'm yelling? All right. Hi guys! What am I making? I am making the famous Dalgona coffee. It's all over TikTok. This is like, do you see it in the bowl? This is like a foamy, it smells so good. It's very sweet. And what it's gonna end up being is like a reverse iced latte. Okay. It has formed peaks. This is beautiful. I'm really messing up my kitchen right now. All right, let me show you what the bowl looks like. It's like it looks like peanut butter, guys. Check that out. The K9 should help. Now, here's what you do with it. A lot of people do not put ice in it. I like putting ice in it, so I'm putting ice in one of my favorite glasses. I am gonna make this drink for my niece who does not drink dairy. I'm making this a non-dairy one, and it's also lower in calories. Like if you use a low-calorie milk, like a 20 or a 30-calorie milk, you can really make this super low in calories. So I'm mixing coconut milk with almond milk. Lauren, you're gonna be up all night if you drink this. Are you okay with that?
Second coffee.
It's her second coffee today. Guys, what do you think so far? Are we having fun cooking in my kitchen? Are we having fun? I'm having fun. Hold on, I'm getting a spoon. I'm getting a spoon. If you guys are nice, I'll show you the dogs after. Should I show you the dogs? Do you want to see them? They're very cute. Okay. You can, Kelly, how much milk? It really depends on how thirsty you are. Truthfully, I put like 7 or 8 ounces of milk with a lot of ice. Can you see this? Lauren, can you see that?
Yeah.
That I'm scooping it out? And
Yeah,
it's,
I can see the
I should cheat to camera. I should pretend I'm doing this cooking show that I used to do. You know, called Hungry Girl. What's going on, guys?
They want to see the doggies.
I'll show you the doggies. All right, now you take all the foam, you put it on. So right now, this probably only has about 100 calories for this whole thing. And you know what? It is yummy. I had one this morning. It's good. What else is going? I'm trying to read the comments while I do this.
Repeat what you did. Can you just tell
Yes, I'm going to repeat what I did. I took 2 tablespoons of instant coffee. I have this big giant honkin' thing. Let me get a paper straw. Hold on. Of instant coffee. Then I put 2 tablespoons of water, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of monk fruit. There it is. Look at this. It's beautiful. It's like tie-dyed deliciousness. And I poured it over ice cold milk. You can blend it. You can put, and by the way, I'm going to play with this. I'm going to make a matcha version. I'll probably make a chocolate version. Lauren, come here and taste this and describe it. I'm making Lauren try this, my vegan niece. My spokesmodel. Come next to me.
Oh, okay.
She doesn't want to be on camera because she's in a crop top. It's okay. She looks cute. Look how cute she is. She just did a makeup TikTok. Come on, try it.
Okay.
All right. Right, super sweet, very strong.
Creamy and rich.
Rich, delicious. You can use decaf. It tastes like a cloud of coffee. Yes, I would agree with that. I had that this morning. And you can use decaf, and you can get Costco monk fruit. You can use, she is gorgeous. There's my gorgeous niece.
Thanks.
Check her out. Hold on, I'm gonna get someone else who's gorgeous. Wait, Lauren, show everybody how pretty you are. Hang on.
Look at the drink. I don't know what to do.
Just talk to them.
Hi.
How nice it is to have me as a man.
It's so nice. She makes me delicious things, and she makes everything taste good. It's Bam Bam.
It's Bam Bam! Everyone's always asking about Bam Bam. So I figured I would bring Bam Bam to say hello. And if you is worth it, if you want to know what Bam Bam likes to eat, she doesn't eat any people food. So how would you make it flavored? All right, Kelly, I have used vanilla instant coffee and it tastes great. So I have done vanilla instant coffee. I have, you can put it over flavored milk if you want. You can add a little bit of cocoa powder also to the mixture as you're making it into that fluff if you want it to be chocolatey. Do you love Bam Bam?
She looks so
Bam Bam, are you
Her
shy?
hair looks great.
Bam, I say I trimmed her hair today, everyone. She looks good. All right, I'll be back. I left the set to return the dog. Anyway, Mary says she speaks highly of you, Lauren. I do. Let me wash my hands.
Thank you.
Okay, I've now washed my hands. That was the coffee drink that I made for you tonight, live in my kitchen. Do you want to see more recipes? If you want to see more recipes, let me know what you want to see, and I'll make another one. I am going to try to go live every night. Last night, I didn't feel like it. I just didn't feel like it, but usually when I go live, I love it, and you guys make me feel good. So remember, stay safe, stay home, wash your hands, be wise, sanitize, hug your dogs. Mary said, all three of you are having a great hair day. That wasn't Lolly, that was Bam Bam. Do you want to see Lolly? Where is Lolly? Lolly has her feet up. Yeah, but all right, before we go, we're going to show you Lolly, but we're losing people right now. It's okay. I will post the recipe because it's very easy. It's so simple that I'll just post it in a comment. Lolly's on the way. She's gonna take us out. Come on. There's Lolly. Lolly looks awesome as usual. Lolly, give me a kiss. Thank you. All right, I'm Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl. I love you guys. Till next time, chew the right thing.